get destroyed, I'm giving to Blake. But lucky for you, I'm gonna give you my credit card, and you can spend as much money as you want trying to protect this money from all of the missiles we're gonna be launching at your money.
So I just build whatever I want.
Whatever you want, but you only have 24 hours until we fire these tanks.
I need metal, let's go!
All right, let's go, boys. Oh, he's running. We're kicking this off with a sprint. All right, Blake, where are we going to first?
Think in a junkyard.
Blake's first 3 hours consisted of sourcing any metal he could find to protect his money.
I mean, this looks like they have metal.
Even if that meant spending $30,000.
Definitely want that, all the trucks.
Basically, you just want every car here.
Yeah, can you give me any of your shipping containers?
Gonna go back.
Yeah, this is good.
I feel like those will work well if I put them on top of the money.
And as if buying out the entire store wasn't enough, Blake did the same thing at 2 other industrial stores.
So everything I get from you today, I would need within the next 12 hours.
12 hours,
I'm willing to pay double.
Okay, we'll get it.
He's very quick to throw my money around. $15,000.
And while we waited for the materials to be delivered, we headed back to the money and Blake laid out his official plan. You just spent the last hour strategizing. What did you come up with to stop the tanks from destroying your money?
Step 1, I want to put a shipping container over the money.
That is actually genius.
Step 2, giant water tanks.
Do you think that's your best defense?
I think it's good, but it's not the best.
Step 3 is containers filled with brick, hay, and wood. Step 4 is my best defense, a fortress of strategically angled cars.
From the last video that I saw, those bullets are gonna hit those cars and ricochet elsewhere.
If he actually builds everything you see here, I will be flabbergasted.
Let's get to work.
Good luck. Unfortunately for Blake, it wouldn't be for another 4 hours until his materials were delivered. So he hired some construction workers to help get the job done.
I'm building a complete fortress. You drop the atomic bomb on this thing, the money's not going anywhere.
This is like an industrial construction site.
It started to look like Blake might actually have a chance at protecting his money. But even if the 500 grand survives those tanks, the tanks are actually only the first of 4 phases of attacks Blake will have to defend. And believe me when I say this, they're gonna get much more challenging. For the rest of the night, Blake and his crew worked tirelessly to defend the money. But by the time the sun rose, they still weren't quite done.
Looking good, looking good.
That's the money. The tanks are over there. What is this car here for?
This is like my inventory back here, dude.
Put your inventory between the money and the tank.
Give me 10 minutes and that white car will be right
I
over
mean,
there.
you have 5 minutes.
I don't think I even have time to do anything else.
Time is up. Stop, time is up. Drop it right there. Go far away. Blake, time has officially ended. Seems pretty sturdy. Let's go fire some tanks.
I've been up for about 25 hours now, just building and building and building. I mean, I'm looking at it now and it looks great, but then I turn around and I see these 5 beasts, and then I see these shells that they're working with. I really had no idea they were gonna be that big.
You think a shipping container is stopping that?
Hopefully 3 of them are. Oh man.
All right, it's time. Load up the tanks. All right, these 5 tanks pointed at your money are about to fire 20 rounds. Blake, fire the first shot. There's so much dust.
Oh my gosh, look at his face. Look at Blake's face.
No way his money's safe.
So only 19 more, right?
19 more to go. Chandler, fire! Ah! Oh! This is way too much fun.
Oh my God.
All the way back here, I can count 8 holes in that shipping container.
Yeah, I see those holes.
No shot, his money's safe. I'd ask you how you're feeling, but we might as well fire the last few shots.
Let's just get this over with.
5 shots. 4 shots remain. 3 shots remain.
How much money do you have back there? I think like half.
2 remain. And of course, Blake, you have to fire the last shell.
The honor is mine.
After this, we'll see if you have any money left. Let's go! Oh, he's running. He's so fast. Is there any money? Wait, it's still there. Yes! Blake, it looked like your money survived.
We got a fresh stack.
I know you're happy, but we're gonna move on to phase 2 of 4. And in 24 hours, we're gonna blow up the biggest bomb we've ever detonated in the history of our channel around your money.
Are you gonna drop it? Are you gonna shoot it?
I'm glad you asked. I'll be right back. Blake, what do you think's in those green crates?
I don't know, dude. It looks like...
Here, I'll answer it for you. This is 100 crates filled to the brim with TNT.
How are you even allowed to do that?
I'm not sure it's legal. And while we prepared one of the biggest explosions in YouTube history, Blake began to strategize on how